Pop On Veneers. It's the best purchase I have ever made.
As you can see, I've got a tooth that's chipped. I don't like to smile because of it.
This is how my teeth look naturally broken.
I have chipped teeth, they're yellow, and I just wanted a confidence booster.
They just pop right in like they say. They just look so pretty.
Now I'm going to put my ones in. Now I have a smile.
And they pop right in. It's so easy. I absolutely love them.
Go ahead and try it. I mean, definitely worth it. Thank you, Pop On Veneers.
I can smile again. Thank you.
I have so much confidence now. It's just unbelievable. So y'all should give it a try.